Hello, in this explain that this is tutorial on how to change your video speed on Instagram Reels on Android. So let's get started. So first up, open up your Instagram account. Be sure to be logged in and then tap on the plus icon on the middle of the UI. Then swipe to Reels, the bottom, and then click on the camera. In here, you could see in the left side of the menu, there's a speed there or the 1x icon. Tap on it and then you'll have a variety of options to go for: the 0.3, 0.5, 1, 2, and 3 times speed. So in here, if you want to take a footage, you can hold it out, not click, but tap and hold, so that you'll start taking the video. So you can either also change up the speed during midway or halfway through the footage, and after you're done, you can just tap on next. So after you're done, you can either edit it out on the video, in which is another method to change up the speed on your Reels footage. So just tap on it and then you'll be able to see it's a very familiar one, like CapCut. So you can either also change the duration of the footage and also its speed, pitch, and everything. And after you're done, you can post it or even save as a draft. So that's about it. This is Mindad, and that's how to change your video speed on Instagram Reels on Android.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain Dad.